So what makes the Healthy Habit Overhaul different to other programs? Well, I'll tell you what, nobody else does a program like me. It is my own intellectual property. It's what I've been working on my entire life. I call it me search. I spent my whole life me searching, failing forwards, using failure as feedback. And the whole principle of the Healthy Habit Overhaul is based on everything that I've done to get myself from stuck to unstoppable. So the blueprint that I've written in my book is called the Healthy Habit Hierarchy, and this is the gold stuff. This is the juicy bit. This is what we actually cover in the Healthy Habit Overhaul. So in the Healthy Habit Hierarchy, we have 6 M's: momentum, menu, mindset, movement, mastery, mentorship. This is actually a mentorship program, so we're literally going to be covering mentorship by default, but we'll be going in depth 2 weeks for every topic, M by M. So starting at the bottom, I've already built in practical exercises that we do as a group, and then you'll be doing individually. So there are no excuses for you not to get unstuck. It's all about evoking change, creating awareness, and determining what your habit triggers are. Building a habit stack isn't that hard when you have a fail-proof formula to do that. That's what the Healthy Habit Hierarchy offers, and that's the simple system that we're going to be following through the 10 weeks. So every week, we basically look at one topic for 2 weeks of that sort of 10-week program. So week 1 and week 2, we're talking all about momentum. What even is momentum? The first of those 2 sessions is a workshop, and the second session is a mastermind. So we do like workshop masterclass based activities where you're listening, you're learning, you're absorbing heaps of information, then you're going to be doing stuff, and then you'll be going home and building that habit stack. And then the week after that, we stay on the same topic and we continue that conversation in a peer-supported learning environment. There is nothing else out there like this program, and I guarantee you will get amazing results over the 10 weeks.